Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the nutrition lineup from Honey Stinger. So if you're looking for a good energy slash snack food for any outdoor activity, maybe you're a dual sport adventure rider, trail riding, the motocross track, or even just mountain biking, whatever it might be, if you're looking for just a good snack to have with you, well, you should check out these Honey Stinger products. We actually discovered these not too long ago. Some adventure riders here at Rocky Mountain started taking them with them on their adventure rides. They really liked them, and since then, a ton of riders here at Rocky Mountain started using them, myself included. We've got 3 different products that we want to show you today. So the first one are the Energy Chews. So these are just a little baggie that comes with some fruit chews on the inside. You get 12 in a box. What's cool about these, they have a ton of vitamin C, but also the packages aren't that big, so you can take them anywhere, easy to pack, but you have 39 grams of carbohydrates. So if you're in the middle of an outdoor activity, you need some quick energy, something your body can absorb and digest quickly to give you that energy and sustain you, these would be a really good option. And also you can see on the table that with each product we do have multiple flavors. Some of our favorite flavors we have on the table. So with these, you've got the fruit smoothie, also you've got the cherry cola. These are both really, really good. Now from the fruit chews, the next one they have up here are the waffles. So they do have these in gluten-free as well. With the waffles, my favorite flavor is the chocolate that I have up here on the table. Also vanillas are really good. But the waffles are nice because you can see really flat, very lightweight, so easy to pack with you, but they still have 160 calories per waffle. But what they do is they take 2 thin waffles and they actually put honey in between those. So just like with those fruit chews, if you're in a pinch, you just need a little bit of energy to get you through your ride or your activity until you can get another meal in you. These are really nice to have. Actually, this is probably the favorite one of the product line that our adventure riders like to take with them. Now, the last one is going to be the protein bars. Now the protein bars, okay, you're gonna have 10 grams of whey protein in these. So if you're looking for something that's gonna have a little bit more protein, this would be the one that I would steer in the direction of. Also gonna be great, maybe you just get done with the workout. This would be a really good post-workout snack to have. So you see, you got cherry almond, that's my favorite flavor. You also have peanut butter, okay, not butter, they say butter on the box. So peanut butter is also a really good flavor. But with these, you're gonna have 16 in a box, or excuse me, 15 with the protein bars. And I forgot to mention earlier that with the waffles, you're gonna get 16 in a box. But there you go. Pretty simple, straightforward. That's the Honey Stinger line of products. Again, awesome energy slash snack food to have no matter what activity you are doing. So if you do have any questions about these, you can comment below, and to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We also do have a lot of other great nutritional supplements on our website that we offer, so make sure you check those out as well. Remember guys, the orders over $75 ship free. If you like this little product spotlight video and you want to see more like it, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.